checking the track or something down there. Yeah, it do sound different. Huh? It look like Chandler getting up there. Oh, now they done opened the gate since I didn't. Man, that's some bullshit, man. Damn. Motherfucker. What's up with it, Izzy? We got Izzy in the building, man. I'm coming like $5 ago.
He gonna give him a 60 foot.
Oh, yeah?
White car gonna give him a 60 foot.
Okay, bet.
Hey,
Let me see. Funky Town, what you think finna happen?
They ain't gonna race.
Oh, okay.
They making it fast.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, they had open. That was the car that was waiting behind me.
Hey, that old car sound different.
It do sound different.
Hey, that old car sound different.
Okay, we got a $1,000 race coming up after this. Back it up. Oh no, he ain't. Okay, we got. Okay, after this we got a $1,000 race.
Your car or something, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna sell it to him.
They talking about Pretty Tony, man. Hey man, I know that ain't Pretty Tony words, man.
Yeah.
They said how the Pretty Tony I know that can't be Pretty. That must be Pretty Tony in China, guys.
Yeah.
That ain't Pretty Tony, I know.
Okay. She love you, Tony. Ooh, she love her some Tony. She know it too.
That's family.
Hey, yeah. I love it. Yeah, I know that old gal out there, but Yello Belly. Yeah, I know that. That's a little something. Got a little something, y'all. Is it a small block, miss? Small block? Small block? Yeah, you know, don't you? No.
I know you know.
Okay, I'm trying to see if you know something. Small block or big block? Okay. Small block.
Try to sell it in Detroit, boy, my motherfucking car.
Yeah.
I get 20.
Yeah.
They sold him that motor for $12,000.
Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah, they talking about she know Pretty Tony.
Yeah, she do.
Yeah,
She a
Pretty
legend.
Tony.
She a legend
Yeah.
out here.
Yeah.
It's a legend.
she
right
You
love-
here.
don't know me. You ain't.
Yeah,
I'm
they
ta-
don't,
nah,
if
they-
y'all don't know who this is,
Yeah.
y'all don't know nothing about Yello Belly.
Yeah, she
Y'all
been.
don't know who this is right here.
She be acting up.
Legend out
Okay.
here, man.
Okay. Is it a small block or big block?
Which one? Are you talking about? Oh, are you talking about the one that?
Man, you supposed to know which one now.
Yeah, which one you like?
Yeah, which one you like?
What side motor you like?
Small block or
Small
big
block,
block?
Big block. Look.
She like that nitrous.
Y'all leave my home, girl.
Long as it got some
Like
juice.
bikes, maybe,
Yeah, she's a motorcycle.
Oh, she like bikes. Oh, okay. That's how you do it.
Yes, sir.
though.
Okay.
That's what I mean. You don't know.
They had-
Okay.
they had-
Oh, I don't know.
They had one of the baddest bikes
Okay.
they ever come out here. They was
Bad as bike. All right, y'all. This $1,000 race right here.
Right there.
This $1,000 race.
Is it, man?
Yeah. 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 This $1,000 race, ain't it? Okay. Yeah, he said. See if it leave right. Everybody. Oh, he is. He is. Don't he need some glue?
Need some glue.
Yeah. We got my boy, the Stone Vet in the building, y'all. Still Stone. Driving a vet. Oh yeah, dude.
Yeah, been smoking all day, bro.
I freaking get really stoned, like when I freaking does a bowl of OG. I'm in the light, I know. When I'm in the zone and I freaking smoke like a bowl of OG. Yeah, man, I like freaking pass out, man. I'm like my fuck. I mean, it really likes freaking puts me in a zone. Tamara, that's the Stone Vet. Like, dude, if you want to get stoned,
Driver bed, right side.
Jet Black just put his channel